Here's a question that stumps most people. Is a VPN just a fancy firewall? Or is a firewall basically a free VPN? If you're confused, you're not alone. And here's the kicker. Getting this wrong could be leaving massive security gaps that hackers love to exploit, but in the next 5 minutes, you'll know exactly what each tool does, why they're completely different, and most importantly, which one you actually need. I'm Fernando, and over the past 20, I've helped thousands of people understand online security without all the technical jargon. Here's what's wild. Recent data shows that over 1.75 billion people worldwide now use VPNs, yet most have no idea if they still need a firewall or how these tools actually work together. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what separates these two critical security tools, when to use each one, and why relying on just one could leave you vulnerable. But first, let me show you the biggest misconception that's putting people at risk. And if you're already learning something new, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps more people discover this content. Let's start with firewalls. Think of a firewall as a security guard standing at the entrance of your network. Its entire job is to monitor who's trying to get in and who's trying to get out. Here's how it works in plain English. Every time data tries to enter or leave your device, whether it's an email, a website request, or an app trying to connect, your firewall checks it against a set of rules. Is this traffic from a trusted source? Is this the kind of data that should be allowed through? For example, if a suspicious IP address from another country suddenly tries to access your computer at 3 a.m., your firewall says, "Nope, blocked." It's filtering traffic based on predetermined security rules. Firewalls come in two main types: hardware firewalls built into your router that protect your entire network, and software firewalls installed on your computer that protect that specific device. The key thing to remember: firewalls control what can enter or leave your network. They're your first line of defense against unauthorized access and malicious traffic trying to infiltrate your system. Now, a VPN, virtual private network, does something completely different. If a firewall is the guard at your gate, a VPN is like an invisible cloak that protects you when you leave your castle. Here's what actually happens when you use a VPN. First, it creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and a VPN server. Leading services like NordVPN use military-grade AES-256 encryption. That's the same level governments use to protect classified information. Second, it masks your real IP address. Instead of websites seeing your actual location and identity, they see the VPN server's information. It's like sending a letter with someone else's return address. Third, it encrypts everything you send and receive. Your internet service provider can't see what websites you visit. Public Wi-Fi hackers can't intercept your data. It's all scrambled inside that secure tunnel. And this matters more than ever. Recent studies show that 80% of VPN users cite increased security and privacy as their primary reason for using one. That's over 1 billion people worldwide who've decided their online activity needs protection. Quick question before we continue. Are you currently using a VPN, a firewall, or both? Drop a comment and let me know. I'm curious where everyone's at with their security setup. Okay, so here's where it gets crystal clear. Let me break down the 5 critical differences. Difference number 1. What they protect. Firewalls protect your device or network from unauthorized access. VPNs protect your privacy and data while it travels across the internet. Difference number 2. How they work. Firewalls filter and block traffic based on security rules. VPNs encrypt your traffic and route it through a secure server. Difference number 3. What they can see. Firewalls see and analyze all network traffic attempting to cross your network boundary. With VPNs, your ISP and websites can't see your real IP address or browsing activity. Now here's a huge misconception people have. A VPN is not a replacement for antivirus software or a firewall. I see this all the time. Someone gets a VPN and thinks they're invincible. Not true. Difference number 4. Location matters. Firewalls operate at the edge of your network like a security checkpoint. VPNs protect your data as it travels through the internet to its destination. Difference number 5. Encryption. Firewalls don't encrypt your traffic. They just manage what gets through. VPNs encrypt everything, making it unreadable to anyone trying to intercept it. Think of it this way. Firewalls answer WHO can access your network. VPNs protect what happens when you access the internet. So here's the million-dollar question. Which one should you use? The answer: you need both. And here's why they're not competitors. They're teammates. Let me paint you a real-world scenario. You're at a coffee shop, connected to public Wi-Fi, doing some online banking. Your firewall is blocking suspicious connection attempts from other devices on that network trying to access your laptop. It's protecting you from someone trying to break in. Your VPN, let's say you're using NordVPN, is encrypting all your banking data as it travels from your laptop to your bank's website. Even if someone intercepts that traffic, all they see is scrambled nonsense. See how they work together? The firewall stops threats at your device level. The VPN protects everything you send and receive. You're covering two different attack vectors. Think of it like your home security. You lock your doors, that's your firewall, and you don't announce your vacation plans to strangers, that's your VPN. Both protect you, but in completely different ways. According to recent data, only 32% of Americans currently use a VPN, despite the growing number of cyber threats. And most people rely solely on their built-in firewall without even knowing if it's properly configured. That's leaving 2/3 of people with incomplete protection. Alright, let's recap what you now know. Firewalls are your network gatekeepers. They control what traffic can enter or leave based on security rules. VPNs are your privacy shields. They encrypt your data and hide your identity as you browse online. You need both because they protect you from different threats. A firewall without a VPN leaves your browsing exposed. A VPN without a firewall leaves your device vulnerable to direct attacks. Your next steps are simple. First, make sure your firewall is enabled. On Windows, check Windows Security. On Mac, go to System Settings, Network, then Firewall. Second, if you don't have a VPN yet, check out NordVPN using the link in the description below. They're one of the most trusted services out there, with top-tier encryption and a proven no-logs policy. Plus, you'll find exclusive deals through that link. Third, use them together for complete protection, especially on public Wi-Fi networks. If this video cleared up the confusion between VPNs and firewalls, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future security tips. What's your biggest online security concern right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one and often turn your questions into future videos. And if you want to learn more about VPN security, check out my next video where I reveal the most common VPN mistakes that compromise your privacy. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.